How to double tap the screen on and off on Samsung Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our new video. In this video, we're going to learn how you can double tap and turn the Samsung phone on or off. So let's start with the process on how we can turn on that option on our device. So let's begin. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon and hit the notification bell to get notified about the latest ones. So in order to do that, if you are on a Samsung phone, the settings may vary from phone to phone, but if you're specifically on a Samsung phone, these are the steps you may follow. First of all, head over to the main settings of your device, and after heading over to the main settings of your device, and if you're looking for how you can basically turn on your phone by just double tapping or turning off your phone by just double tapping, head over to the sounds and vibration settings. Just go there and you'll be finding different options here. You're just gonna look up for the option called alert when phone picked up. Just scroll down a bit and you'll be finding this option called alert when phone picked up. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you can easily find this option called double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. So here you can see this toggle option with which you can either enable or disable the option. So if you want to enable this option, just turn it on, and if you want to turn it off, just disable this option. Just get back and disable the option if you want to turn it off. So that's how you basically turn on the settings of this double tap to turn on and turn off the screen on your Samsung Android phone. So follow the steps in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.